If you're looking at engineering colleges in Chennai, Velammal Engineering College is definitely one you need to know about. The TNEA code to remember is 1120. So let's take a closer look and break down what this institution is all about. All right, here's how we're going to tackle this. We'll start with the college's background and credibility, the stuff that builds trust. Then we'll dive into the engineering courses you can actually study there. After that, we'll get to the big question: placements and financial aid. And finally, we'll wrap up with the practical side of things, campus life. Okay, so first things first, who exactly is Velammal Engineering College? Let's get to know their identity. So Velammal Engineering College has been around since 1995, founded by the Velammal Educational Trust. Now, a really key point here is that it's an autonomous institution. What does that mean for you as a student? It means the college has the flexibility to update its syllabus to match what the industry needs right now. It is, of course, affiliated with Anna University. When it comes to admissions, it's pretty straightforward. 65% of the seats are filled through TNEA counseling, and the other 35% are for the management quota. Now, for something that's super important for both parents and students, the official quality checks. This is how you can verify a college's credibility, right? Let's look at the facts. Right off the bat, this is a big one. 6 of the college's main engineering programs have earned accreditation from the NBA, that's the National Board of Accreditation. And trust me, this is more than just a piece of paper. It's a real seal of approval for technical education in India. So, what does getting a Tier 1 accreditation really mean for a graduate? Well, it's a direct signal of high academic quality. But here's the game changer. It means your degree is recognized internationally because of something called the Washington Accord. If you have plans for higher studies or a job abroad, this is a massive advantage.
And here are the specific programs that have made the cut. As you can see, it covers some of the most popular branches: computer science, ECE, IT, mechanical, the whole lot. And look at that validity date, all the way to December 2028. That's fantastic because it gives you long-term assurance. It means the quality is locked in for your entire 4 years.
Now, it's not just about individual programs. The college as a whole has also been evaluated. It received an overall diamond rating from QSIJage for 2025. Think of this as a 360-degree review of the institution's overall performance. Just to give you a bit of historical perspective, the college has also appeared in the Government of India's NIRF rankings in the past. While rankings do change every year, being on that list in 2017 and 2020 gives you a sense of their national standing. Okay, so we've covered quality. Now let's get to the exciting part. What can you actually study here? What are your options? For the upcoming TNEA admissions, the Velammal offers a total of 990 undergraduate seats. That's a pretty large intake, which usually means a vibrant and diverse campus environment. And here's the complete list of the 10 BE and B Tech programs they have. You've got your classic core branches like mechanical and ECE, but they also offer some of the newer, high-demand fields. You can clearly see the focus here, right? Computer science and ECE have the largest intakes, with 240 seats each. Now, this is something I think is really important. It shows the college is looking ahead. They introduced a full BTech in AI and data science back in 2020, and just recently, in 2023, added cybersecurity. This shows they're not just sticking to the old ways, they're actively creating programs for the jobs of the future. All right, let's talk about what happens after the 4 years. This is probably the biggest question for every parent. What's the return on investment? Let's look at placements and scholarships. According to the data the college submitted for TNEA 2025, they have a 95% overall placement rate. That's a very strong number. For any family weighing their options, a figure like this is a huge factor, showing a clear path to a career after graduation. On the financial side, the college helps students get access to a whole range of government scholarships. So whether you're the first graduate in your family, or you fall under state or central government schemes, there's support available. It's also great to see specific AICTE scholarships for girls and differently abled students mentioned, which points to a real focus on inclusivity. Okay, let's wrap up with the practicals of student life. If you study here, where will you stay? How will you get to campus? Let's cover the essentials. So, the college seems well equipped for students coming from near and far. They have separate hostels for boys and girls right on campus. The mess offers both veg and non-veg options, which is a plus. For students living in the city, the college has its own transport service. And if you're using public transport, the Ambattur railway station is only about 6 kilometers away, which makes it pretty accessible. Just so you know, all the information we've discussed in this explainer has been carefully put together using the college's official website and data from trusted government portals as of the time we prepared this.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.